Hi, I'm April Golightly. I'm super excited to share with you the Fab Fit Fun box for summer. Yay! Let's get started. This is my Fab Fit Fun box that came in the mail. It's kind of smaller than it normally is. The Fab Fit Fun box comes with this awesome magazine that I'm always in love with. I'm gonna start with my first customization, which is this amazing sarong. So cute. I love palm print, and it comes with this beautiful coral color. It comes with this cute little card that has ways you can wear the sarong. And you can wear it as a scarf, a halter dress, classic sarong, or a bandeau dress. The next customization is from Rae Dunn. It's these super cute bowls. I'm a huge Rae Dunn fan, and I was so excited to see that they were working with Fab Fit Fun. This one says salsa and guacamole, and it has the Rae Dunn at the bottom. I don't know if you guys have any Rae Dunn items, but it always has this little logo at the bottom. So cute. So it also comes with these super cute bamboo spoons. Look at that spoon. I normally get all of my Rae Dunn items from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, but today I'm so excited that I got them in the mail. Yay! For this customization, I was very conflicted because there was a ton of fun stuff. Also, they had this Draper James dress that so cute. I love Draper James. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but I'll link it down below. It's such a cute little brand. I've actually been to the store in Tennessee, in Nashville. So cute. You could also get, with the first customization, this space dye towel, which I already have. It's kind of like a microfiber feeling. It's really nice, and I like it because it doesn't pull my hair. I use it as a hair towel all the time, and my daughter keeps stealing it from me because it's tie-dye. For the next customization, I got this awesome Super Goop sunscreen. It's 40. It's called Unseen Sunscreen. I really am totally in love with it. This is what I love about FabFitFun, is that you try out something new, you see if you like it, and then you fall in love. This is definitely going to be a repurchase for me. It's awesome because it kind of feels like you're wearing a primer. And I don't know if you've ever used Super Goop, but it is an amazing sunscreen. I don't know if you guys know this, but some sunscreens actually damage reefs. So if you're swimming in the ocean, you could be damaging the reefs that you're looking at while you're snorkeling. So be an awesome consumer and choose sunscreens that are reef safe. It has no synthetic fragrance and it's vegan. So it's a super awesome win, and I always love using them. And this one especially is really good. I'm wearing it right now underneath my makeup. I basically put my moisturizer on, I put my serum on, and then I put my sunscreen on, foundation, powder, and there you go. Also, it's cruelty-free. Yes. You can also choose to get several of that customization. So this is the third customization, and I got this Babble Bar kit to make bracelets and necklaces. I want to do this with my daughter. Super cute, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. I really adore Babble Bar. They have such cute stuff, and they've actually done this collaboration with Target where I got these super cute little earrings. Look at that. So cute for summertime. Everything that I'm wearing today is linked down below. As part of the third customization, you can also get these blue light glasses that I already have 2 pairs of because I got one for myself and I got one for my daughter. It's awesome to have a pair of blue light glasses so that you can wear them while you're doing screen time. You can use them while you're working on the computer, or if you're next to a very bright window, you can use them then. For the fourth customization, I actually chose this facial serum. I get a lot of my serums from the FabFitFun box, and I'm a big fan of this one. It is a facial serum with vitamin C and hydrochloric acid. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Hydrochloric acid. So however you say this acid, I'll leave it below, but basically hydrochloric acid helps the moisture actually sink into your skin. Even though I can't say it, I know what it does. Basically, free radicals come at your face and you want something to prevent those free radicals from seeping in. So this helps put antioxidants into your skin so that you stay younger longer. Yay! I added a ton of add-ons this time. What can I say? I love to shop. Next up for the customizations for number 5 is this awesome little tray in lemon. I thought it'd be super cute to put the guac and salsa little bowls on this for summertime. So cute. So as part of the next customization, I got this Dr. Brandt No More Pores face wash. It has tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and white willow bark. Dr. Brandt is a really great brand, and I have a ton of stuff from them, so I definitely wanted to try this out. It kind of has like a menthol smell to it, and I think it's because it has tea tree, and it also has rosemary in it. Right now, I'm working with a dermatologist on my skin, so I haven't been using this. I haven't tried this yet. My husband tried it, and he said that it definitely has like a menthol smell, and I can also smell the menthol. So I haven't tried it out yet. Once I stop with the retinol, I probably will try it then. Right at this moment, I'm just trying to like put moisture back into my skin rather than pulling any more out. For the number 6 customization, I chose this Murad, Rapid Collagen Infusion. Basically, it's like a serum for nighttime. Fast-acting treatment helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restores a more youthful appearance. So I actually got this in a box maybe a year ago, and I used the whole thing because it feels really good on my skin. It feels like the moisture is coming in pretty quickly, and when I saw it again, I was like, yep, getting it again. Another awesome item that came in the box are these super cute hydration multipliers. They're electrolyte mix. Basically, let me show you. There's one left. Okay, basically you put this in your water and you get electrolytes with it, and it tastes really, really good. If you feel like, especially during the summer, you feel dehydrated, this is awesome to put in your water so you can get some electrolytes and some minerals into you so that you can soak up the water more easily and hold on to it. Think Pedialyte. You know, when kids are dehydrated, this is the same thing. Another really fun thing that I got are these stickers. They're super cute, and if you're a planner, you can put them in your planner, or you can give them to your kids, whatever you feel like. If you like these subscription boxes videos, leave in the comments something you want me to check out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications when I do new videos. See you in the next video.